Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So with the motto to give and share our knowledge to the others so that others can learn from our mistake and the experience that we have and learn first and then earn. So before we move to the analysis and the intraday levels for 4th June, let us have a quick review of what I had predicted uh, yesterday for today's expiry, and then we can go with the analysis for the 4th of June. Okay, so I always say that we need to look or do the analysis from multi time frame perspective. So from the day view, you can see over here day view, I have shown a hammer candle forming at the good support zone. So what does the hammer candle at the support zone indicates? A bullish movement, right? So this was my daily analysis posted on TradingView for the expiry. And for the intraday levels, I had posted this particular uh, analysis in detail. So we saw a hammer forming at this good particular support zone. But if we look at this immediately above 100 or to above 100 or 200 points above, we had the strongest resistance at 35,500. I was expecting a gap up opening, and it too, today we too saw the gap up opening, but I was not expecting that it would go above 35,500 being the strongest resistance zone. The other point to take into consideration was the strongest resistance zone was also developing from 35,500 to 800. Okay, if you have taken this thing into consideration as well, you might have seen even if the bank nifty opened above the strongest resistance level, we saw pressure from the selling side, right? And looking at this particular resistance level, if I had predicted that there can be a more chances of sideways market for the first half and between the range this. So if you are following me very closely and listening to the video in depth or not skipping any particular part, you might have got the benefit of my analysis for the expiry. So just to show an example, let me show you quickly the person or the followers who are following me very quickly. So after the complete of the day analysis, he has written the comment over here that just missed the second half, which was bullish from the 35,500 support zone. Okay, so this is what I am expecting from you all. Do watch video completely without skipping and mark the levels on your chart so that uh, you can understand what steps need to be taken. Okay, so let's move ahead and see the analysis for 4th of June from a day view. Okay, so as I said, this is the uptrend, or still we are in the bullish movement, but in between we are seeing the retracement or a downtrend. So we had seen yesterday the formation of a hammer candle, and today still the bank nifty is moving in the up direction. So in the day view, what we can see in the past as well. So we have a resistance till 35,800 and 36,000. Okay. So if bank nifty crosses this particular levels, then we have a very big target, or the bank nifty even can break its highest point. Okay. So this was the analysis for the day view for 4th of June. So let's see now what is there for intraday levels. Okay, so just for the learning purpose, even if you have noticed, I had drawn yesterday the support uh, or the trend line. So bank nifty at this particular point took the support and it formed the clear hammer candle. This is on the 15 minutes time frame, and you see how the candlestick patterns are helping, or we can trade using candlestick patterns. So when this candle hammer is formed at the support, the price bounced from 35,500 to 35,700. 200 points rally was shown to us. Now this was for today. The expiry is gone. We have new expiry coming up. So tomorrow being the Friday, the premiums would be high. This is the one point to take into consideration. And let us look at the intraday levels. So I have marked 35,600 as the strongest support and 35,700 as the strongest resistance. So immediate to next level above 35,700, we have the strong resistance at 35,800, and below 35,600 we have another strong support, that is 35,500. So you can see I have marked these two zones as strong resistance and strong support zone, and Bank Nifty has exactly closed between this level. So if you want to buy or want to go on a buying side, you can uh, go above this level, above 35,800 and above this trend line as shown by this green arrow. Okay, and on the selling side, below this trend line and below, we can say at the levels of 35,800 from this particular point over here. So why I haven't now marked anything over here below is what I can see from 35,300. I can see a strong support developing towards this. So don't try to short or watch how the market is behaving and then take a trade. And if you see, I have even marked this particular zone from 35,500 to 35,800 as a no trade zone or possible sideways market in this particular zone. You can see, being the two strong resistance and support zones, it can trade between this particular level at least for the first half. Okay, so this was the analysis in short regarding Bank Nifty intraday levels for the 4th of June. I hope you like my analysis. Do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Happy trading and have a good day. Bye.